Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ban sngo thu daladi ya ki Jngoh jong ki pat ba bat ki kan hun tre kam bopher. Menteri Rangba ka Jelau Conrad ke sangma haga khandai tarik uyayong arajar arpusan. Leit Jngoh ya kisnong jata bat yo laru banya kren markmat bat kinong yo jing mentoi jong ka jata anong air integrated village cooperative society bat ya ki self help group bopher ya kinong snong bat ya kinong yalam snong.
And let me assure you of full support and full financial help from the government. The tourism sector also has huge potential here. This is maybe one of the most beautiful places in the whole state. I have never seen such clear water and such pristine water and such beautiful scenery in the state of Meghalaya. And therefore, I want to assure you that government will support to build up the tourism out here. Whether it is different viewpoints, whether it is places, cottages to stay, whether places to sit and eat, restaurants, or having picnic spot development, we will support in building up this entire infrastructure in this area. But we need all of you to be together and work together committedly so that we can move forward together.
Hadian gani, Menteri Rangba Leit Jngoh saya ka Kper rep strawberry haga snong Syntung haga bagidon shispa katsan ngut kinong rep kibadon bentaban rep yauni uso. Hang ni Menteri Rangba ulayo lat bania selok bat kinong snong bat kinong yo jing mentoi nagiski bopher. Bat kularu ban yarap ya kinong rep lengbaga CM assure na kabenta kinong rep sensar.
And this
How much
is in Mountain Roadblock, we are doing more than 14 hectares, involving more than 207.
And what is the rate they get normally?
At the first harvest, the expected yield is about 28 to 30 MT.
So can you cameras? You have to pay, huh? These people are before. No, I'm saying they have plucked and So where do we go now? Back. Okay. So we are here in Syntung village in Mapundru constituency in East Khasi Hills, and we are right now here to see this beautiful place which has got huge potential for tourism, and we will be developing the tourism sector also out here by ensuring that we put up infrastructure and other amenities. But apart from tourism, as we can see on my side and behind me and across, there's a huge scope for strawberry plantation out here. And the agriculture department has taken large number of steps to ensure that this particular plantation and product is promoted. And through that whole process, today more than 250 plus beneficiaries are getting benefit here in Syntung village, and at the same time they are marketing this product all the way to Guwahati through Naramak, and also at the same time they are selling the product out here in the state, as well as supplying it to IIHM, and there's a huge demand for it, and at the same time the farmers are getting a very good price also for this. So from the agriculture department we are committed, and as a government we're committed to give full support, and I see that there's a huge potential in terms of processing these products, and therefore in the coming days we will put up a processing unit out here through which the farmers can get benefit, and the farmers around this region also can get benefit, and the tourists also can actually get a whole experience of not just the plantation but the different products that will come out of the strawberries that are grown out here. So I'm very happy, and I urge our tourists also to come and experience this and be part of our farmers' lives, promote them, support them, and that way, as I said, we'll be able to create much more value and many more livelihoods through these programs. Thank you very much.
Of 100 crores.
Hadian gani Menteri Rangba ulali Jngoh ru ya ke Syntung Sub Center. Ya kamadan yelek kai football jong senong Syntung. Bat ya ke Syntung Upper Primary School hagaba ulakular ban ajing erap lailak tingka lengba ka Chief Minister Special Development Fund na kebentaban tiet ya ki tiartem bat ki wei ki jingdon kam jong ke school.
We are not estimate, but if it is 20 lakh, I think that is something. Then we need the hall also, because especially in the summer season, when we have the devotion, it's very difficult. We cannot arrange the students because we have nearly 200 students.
Let the 4 lakhs be, then they can buy equipment also. They can buy music also and sports also as they wish. Okay. No? So I'll give the money to you, but I'll don't give bank account. No? 10 lakh, 20 lakh, 50 lakh. So can you just ask them and just share with them that putting up a processing plant for tea, there are 2-3 things. Number one, there has to be enough plantation of tree, of the leaves. I mean the tea plantation. If the quantity is not there, then the processing unit will not be viable. Do they have how much of production, and have to study that?
Mengimpatyo ito yung certificate. Jadi saya abang nak akhir besar bah, saya pun sekarang ibu aku orlog. Ada kepala ini sistem berlami, entah si life pak kota dan macam.